Flash flood of water into a restaurant forced customers to stand on the tables. Trunk of a tree that is separated from the root base, but it looks healthy. Massive rock slide from the cliff of a mountain. Astonishing. A pit of quicksand that devours everything thrown into it. It appears like many suns in the sky, but it is due to effective refraction of light. Unusual long bunch grown on a banana tree, almost touching the ground. Sunroof of a house occupied fully with numerous bird nests, surprising. One powerful lighting strike shattered the whole tree into pieces,